Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video, I will show you how to fix headphone jack not working on your Android. So for this guys, first method, clean the headphone jack, and the second method, disable the Bluetooth and try. The third method, check the volume settings, open the volume settings, increase the volume, and after you can try. The fourth method, restart your Android phone. And the fifth method, you update your phone. So for this guys, open your phone settings, scroll down, tap on system update, check here guys update. If you see here update, you update your device. After restart your device and try. And the last final method, you reset your phone. So for this guys, once again open your phone settings, scroll down, tap on system. Now tap on reset options and tap on erase all data factory reset. After complete the process. So guys, this will delete your all data from your device. Hopefully this will fix your problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.